All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com deal of the day. It is today only, June 4th, 2026. So if you happen to be watching this video after that date, then unfortunately these deals are no longer in effect. And these deals are only on HomeDepot.com, not available in the store. And I will have some links down in the description to some of these deals, and I will make a small commission on them. And I do really appreciate that support. And the best thing is it won't cost you any more money. All right, first up, we're going to get into some Ryobi deals. They have a 2-pack of the 18 volt, 7.5 inch fans for 89 bucks, saving 25% off. These are great fans. I had the previous version of them, and you're able to power it by both the 18 volt battery as well as an extension cord. All right, and this time around, they are bringing on some Ryobi deals on the 1+ HP brushless tools, and they have the 2-tool combo kit here with the 6.5 inch circular saw, as well as the drill driver and two 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag for $179. That's saving 79 bucks. That's 31% off. And another 2-tool combo option is the impact driver with the oscillating tool, again with 2 batteries, charger, bag for $179, saving 33%. And then they have the Ryobi 6-port fast charger with 2 batteries for $159, saving 79 bucks. That's 33% off. I have this sequential charger, and just so you know that it only charges 1 battery at a time. You can have 6 of them in at the same time. So it starts off charging the first battery you put in, and then it just works its way around charging all 6. All right, now I'll get into some Milwaukee deals. They have a 5-tool combo kit. These are going to be the brush models of the tools for $349, saving 260 bucks, 43% off. It is a decent deal for these tools, but they are brushed, which means that they won't last as long and they're not as efficient and as powerful compared to the brushless models. Next up is the M12, the subcompact brushless cordless 3/8 drill driver, tool only for only 79 bucks, saving 50. That's 39% off. And they have a pretty good deal on the M12. It's the Surge impact driver with the blower. This has also 2 batteries for $189, saving 120 bucks. That's 39% off. That is a good deal on that one. And they brought in a deal with the M18 brushless 4.5 inch / 5 inch angle grinder with the paddle switch. They have that paired with 2 of the high output 6 amp hour batteries and the charger for $289, saving 280 bucks. 49% off. It is a good deal on that one. And then they brought back a deal on the DeWalt 20 volt power stack 2-pack of the 3.5 amp hour batteries for $134, saving 135. That's 50% off. And they also brought back the deal on the 5-inch random orbit sander with the battery and charger for $160, saving 119. That's 43% off. That is a good deal on that one because it includes the battery and charger for that price. The orbit sander by itself is around that price, if not even a little bit more than that. And then they brought back the deal from DeWalt, the 20 volt 10-tool cordless combo kit. Again, these are going to be, majority of these tools will be brushed. The brushless ones, I believe, is the oscillating tool, the drill, and impact driver. So the angle grinder, the recip saw, and the circular saw are going to be brush models, but it is saving 456 bucks. That's 41% off. So if you're looking to get in the DeWalt platform, it would be a good overall kit. This is the one that I got many years ago, and it was actually before they included the drill and impact driver as brushless tools. They were actually brushed at that time, and it even includes a little vacuum, which is pretty good, which it has the hose on top of the vacuum. You can remove that hose and get into the little nooks and crannies of things, and it's pretty decent. And they brought on a deal for 207 bucks on the DeWalt 20 volt cordless drywall screw gun, and they had that with a power stack 1.7 amp hour battery and charger for that 207, saving 92 bucks. 31% off. And I'll get into some more Milwaukee deals. They have the D-handle jigsaw, which is the fuel model with the 2 6 amp hour high output batteries and the charger for $289, saving 280 bucks, 49% off. It is a good deal on it. I believe this is a similar deal they are actually having currently in the stores for around that price. And then next up is the 5-inch random orbit sander, also with the 2 6 amp hour high output batteries for $289, same price as the D-handle jigsaw, but you are getting a better value with the D-handle jigsaw with this kit versus the random orbit sander. I think is around $160 or so, whereas the D-handle jigsaw is over 200 bucks alone. And another decent deal is on the M18 cordless inflator with 2 6 amp hour high output batteries for the $289, saving 250 bucks. That's 46% off. Again, that's another decent deal because technically the inflator alone is 200 bucks, and for 89 bucks you're getting the 2 high output batteries and the charger. So it is a decent deal and good savings on that one. And next up is the M12 tool option is the 2-tool combo kit, which is the hammer drill and impact driver with the 2 batteries, and they have that paired with a 3/8 ratchet for the $239, saving $170. 42% off. It is a good deal. Now that ratchet is the brush model. It's not the fuel model, but it is a good deal at $239 to get those 3 tools. And now let's get into some rigid options. They have the 18-volt dual function cordless inflator with the accessories for $139, saving $49, 26% off. The thing that looks nice about this inflator, it also has the hose, so you could like inflate other inflatable items like a bed or pool toys, that sort of thing. Then they have a 3-tool lighting combo kit from Rigid for $129, saving supposedly $178, 58% off. I think it's a decent deal at $129, but certainly not at the $307 that they say is the regular price. And then also from Rigid, they have a 4-pack of the 6 amp hour max output lithium ion batteries for $259, saving $279, 52% off. So these are their newer batteries that they recently came out with. And also from Rigid, they have the 18 gauge 2 1/8" brad nailer. It is the 18-volt one, and it is brushless for $289, saving $109. That's 27% off. And now more Ryobi deals. They have the inflator with the clamp fan with a battery and charger for $99, saving almost $30. 23% off. And they brought back a deal on the one and done kit. It's the 12-tool combo kit with 3 batteries and a charger for $629, saving $200. That's 24% off. I call it the one and done kit because this basically has all your needs covered as far as tools go to cover most basic projects around a house, even including that miter saw. Even has the airstrike nailer. So it is a good overall kit if you're looking to get into the Ryobi platform and not have to worry about buying more tools over time. It's a one and done. And next up is another Ryobi 1+ HP brushless drill with 2 of the clamp speakers with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $169, saving $69. That's 29% off. Then they do have the brush model of the circular saw with the drill and impact driver for $309, saving $89, 22% off. And now we'll get into some more Milwaukee deals. So they are alternating between the brands here. So they have the M12 rotary tool with the 3/8 ratchet for $199, and it includes only 1 battery, the charger, and the bag. That's saving 49%. That's $190 in savings. And they also brought back a deal on the installation driver, the 4-in-1 with the 3/8 ratchet. This one does have 2 batteries for that $219, saving $170, 44% off. This is a good deal because of the installation driver by itself is around that $220 mark. So to be able to get that ratchet for free basically is an awesome deal. And then next up is going to be a couple M18 deals, and they have the 5-tool combo kit. These are going to be the brushed models, just so you know. It is only $299 though, and that's saving $300, 50% off. So if you are looking to get into the M18 platform, it would be a decent kit to go for to be able to get all those tools for only $300. But if you do want to do an upgrade into the M18 platform, then I would recommend actually going for this one. It is the compact hammer drill and impact driver with the inflator. Also includes 2 batteries and a charger, which the batteries are a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery in that charger for $289, saving $200, 41% off. Again, that inflator by itself is $200, tool only. So technically, for $89, you are getting that compact hammer drill and impact driver. And with the hammer drill, would allow you to drill into concrete. You just probably wouldn't be able to do like large holes with it, but being a hammer drill is a great option to have. I'm going to just scroll through these yard tools, and I will mention these Ryobi ones do seem like a decent deal on this 3-tool combo kit, but it is a 16-inch mower for only the $469, and it does include the blower and trimmer on the 18-volt platform, as well as 3 batteries. But it is a small mower, just so you know. And they have a deal on the 40-volt mower with the string trimmer with 3 batteries and a couple chargers for the $829, saving $249. That's only 23% off. And they do have decent savings on that 18-volt brushless pole saw with the 2 amp hour battery and charger. And that also includes a little extension on it. And this is also under a buy more, save more, online only. So if you spend $299, you can save $40. You spend $399 or above, you can save $60. And if you spend $499 and above, you would save $100. So when you click on the listing, you can take a look at the other options that they have that are under that buy more, save more program right here under this shop this offer. So then you could take a look at the options that they have that are under this program. And it looks like it's mostly yard tools. So they have many different options to go for actually. So it looks like a pretty good deal, especially if you're in the market for multiple yard tools. This might be a good savings there if you select multiple ones and then to reach that threshold where you can save an additional $100. All right, I'll continue on scrolling through the yard tools here, and certainly you could take a look online if you're in the market for any of these other ones, but the savings aren't the best. And I'll get into some more power tools and hand tool options. They have a deal on the 30-piece SAE and metric combination ratcheting wrench set from Milwaukee for $349, saving $180. That's 34% off. Might be a decent deal. It is 30 pieces, so keep that in mind. Would have more sizes versus like the Icon sets at Harbor Freight. And they brought on a deal on the Milwaukee oscillating blade set. It's a 4-piece set total for bimetal, and that's $16.37, saving $18.60. That's 53% off. That is a good deal on those blades. And next up, they do have decent savings on the Ryobi 14-piece ultimate drilling set. This is a special buy kit. It's something they normally don't have in stock at Home Depot, and I think they do have it in the stores right now during the Ryobi days. For only $10.93, you're getting this set and saving 27% on that. Almost $4 off. I know the drill bits aren't the best quality drill bits from Ryobi, but for only $10, and you're getting a variety of different kinds of bits between spade bits, drill bits, and even a step drill bit. So I think it's pretty good value for only basically $11. And they have a deal on the DeWalt 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive ratchet and socket set. It's a 34-piece set for $46.77, saving $18.20. That's 28% off. And they have a Milwaukee Fastback 2-piece set with a 50-pack of the replacement blades for only $25, saving $10. That's 29% off. This is decent kit right here. It is not the regular Fastback like the 6-in-1. This is like the original Fastback as well as the slim one. So it's, again, with those 50 blades, it's a decent deal at $25. And they brought back a deal on the rigid 18-volt half-inch ratchet kit with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for $121, saving $128. That's 51% off. And they even have a couple of deals on gear wrenches. It's not the best savings though. And the first one is it's the Master Metric and SAE combination ratcheting wrench set. It's a 29-piece set for $223, saving $25. That's only 10% off, and they are 72 tooth with a 5-degree arc swing. And they do have decent savings on the gear wrench bolt biter socket set. It's a 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive in the SAE and metric. It's the impact extraction socket set, 28 pieces total for $175, saving $75. That's 30% off. The thing that's nice about them is it does come with those rails to store them on, which is nice. Another gear wrench option, this would be like a one-and-done kit for this price. On the 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive Master Mechanics tool set with impact sockets for $2,500. It is only saving $131. That's 5% off. And they even brought back a deal on the Stiletto 14-ounce titanium smooth face hammer with the curved hickory handle for $95, saving $20. That's 17% off. The next deal is going to be on the 50-foot Bosch laser with the tripod for $131, saving $28, 18% off. I think we've seen better deals on this in particular at Lowe's last year, where they had the laser with the tripod for like $60. It was some kind of crazy deal like that. So I'll keep an eye on for something like that coming up in the future. Next up is a deal on the Metalli Scanner MT7 by Zircon for $159, saving $30, 16% off. And then more Milwaukee options on the oscillating blades. They have the nitrous carbide extreme materials blade. It's a 2-pack of them for $16, saving almost $19, 54% off. It is a good deal. And this is also a good deal on the oscillating multi-blade kit. It's a 20-piece set, which they are counting the sanding disc that it includes. And you're able to use on hardwood, nail-embedded wood, copper, drywall wood, and PVC for the $42, saving almost $38, 47% off. And they even have a deal on the Shockwave Impact Duty alloy steel screwdriver bit set with the pack-out case. This one is a 100-piece set for the $65, saving $45. That's 41% off. It's going to be similar to the one we've seen during the holiday time, but that kit that is during the holidays is like a 90-piece set, and they usually had that price around $50. I do know at other stores like Rural King, they have this 100-piece set priced at that $110. So it is decent savings there to get it for $65. And next up is the Milwaukee Sawzall blade set. It's a 32-piece set for only $45, saving 48. That's 52% off. It's another decent deal on Milwaukee blades. And they brought back a deal on the 21-piece bulldozer set by Milwaukee for $97, saving 122, and that's 56% off. Then they had the fine finish 5 3/8 blade by Milwaukee for only $13, saving 7, 35% off. That is a good deal. Another M12 option, they have the Surge with the ratchet. Again, I think this is what we saw earlier for the 189, so they just repeated the deal here. And then they have the M18 quarter-inch impact driver with 3 5-amp-hour batteries in the charger for $299, saving $180. That's 38% off. Another M12 option is going to be on the new right-angle die grinder with the ratchet, couple batteries, the bag, and charger for $349, saving $190, 35% off. And that does include the 5-amp-hour high-output battery as well, and a 2.5-amp-hour high-output battery. And the next deal is going to be on the Shockwave half-inch drive and the metric deep well pack out socket set. It's a 16-piece set in the half-inch drive for $119, saving almost $61, 34% off. And this also qualifies under their buy more, save more program, where you spend $350 plus, you save $100, or if you spend $250 plus, save $50. So with this deal price of $119, it would technically stack with that buy more, save more program. And another M12 deal on the right angle die grinder. This time they have it paired with the inflator for that $349, saving $160, 31% off. Then they have the quarter-inch straight die grinder with the blower with 2 batteries and the charger for $309, saving $150. That's 33% off. In more Ryobi deals, they have the high volume inflator kit with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for $63, saving $35. Another 1+ HP kit, they have the drill driver and the one-handed recip saw for $179, saving $79. That's 31% off. And they brought back a deal on the 4-mode half-inch high torque impact wrench with the 2 4-amp-hour batteries, charger for $202, saving $245. I think you're better off going with the Ryobi Days deal, where you're getting 3 batteries and the charger for the $199. This impact wrench is one of the options you can get for free tool. And then the next deal is going to be on the DeWalt 20-volt 4.5-inch to 5-inch angle grinder with the 8-amp-hour power stack battery and that fast charger for $291, saving $88, 23% off. Now that's going to be it for the daily deals for today only, June 4th, 2026. If you did gain any value from this video, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.